Hello, in front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system updates on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and then you can tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down and find the option called System and tap on it. And here scroll down, find the option called About and select it. Then scroll down, find the option called System Updates and tap on it. And once you tap on it, the watch will check for the updates automatically. And as you can see, my system is up to date, but if you had any updates, it will tell you and you can tap on the update button to start the update. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check for the system updates on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.